Good morning, friends. I would just like to start today with another topic on adventure tourism. So, as all my students are back in their homes and they are now fully acquainted with the concept of adventure tourism, I would just like to stress upon them. All these days, I have been speaking about the different aspects and the elements of adventure tourism, and especially about the different types of adventure tourism. Today, I would like to give them a brief idea about the most popular and prominent elephant safari hotspots in the country. In my last class, I had already talked with the students regarding elephant safari, how elephant safari can be a prominent aspect of adventure tourism, how can it be a prominent type or a form of adventure tourism along with river rafting and skiing. So today, my basic emphasis or a main impetus will basically on the concept of elephant safari. Riding on an elephant's back is a truly unique way of experiencing a jungle safari, and nothing can be more than that. It gives tremendous satisfaction when you can enjoy the flora and fauna, the natural vegetation, the animals and the plants, in the natural habitats, just by sitting on the safety and security, of an elephant's back. Elephant safaris in India also happen to be safer and more reliable than the other modes of transportation while traversing through a jungle or a forest. India is a land of mystic forests. India is a land of forest, and more than 70% of the country is covered with forests and vegetations. So the plethora of animals and plants found in India is of manifold. Be it the mysteriously thick forests or dangerously, any tourist can definitely choose to hop from one place to another riding on an elephant back. Riding on an elephant back gives a tourist ample experience of enjoying breathtaking scenery and thrilling chance to encounter wildlife at close quarters. Elephant safari in India promises to be a unique experience which simply cannot be replicated through any other modes of travel. There are many organized elephant safari tours in India. A tourist can definitely include any elephant safari in their tour itinerary and plan accordingly. Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Povitara Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam, Joldapada Wildlife Sanctuary and Gorumara Wildlife Sanctuary in West Bengal, in the Duars region of West Bengal, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, Nagarhole Forest Reserve Forest in Andhra Pradesh, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh, as well as Nandankanan National Park in Orissa offer ample scope for elephant safari to be enjoyed. On the back of the elephants, you can traverse through the dense forest and the vegetation. You can go into the deep insides of the forest land and can come very close to these animals from time to time. Even if this opportunity gives the tourists enough time to absorb the skin-dilating view of the Himalayas. You can be very close to the Himalayas and enjoy the beauty of the place. It's all for today. Thank you, students. We'll again catch up next time. Thank you.